What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Dre from Newcastle, Pennsylvania, if you don't know me already. Today I want to bring you a Newbies on Fire review. Shout out Jose Cabrera, posting some payment proof. We're going to go ahead and make this a little larger so you guys can see it. Right, endless $25 commissions, $100 commissions. You can even see a $400 commission in here with the Newbies on Fire system. Total earned 1,175. Thank you, Jose, for sharing this with us. Let's go ahead and get into this presentation. Okay, so as you know, Newbies on Fire is a automated system. You could work from home, immediate start earning instant paid commissions to your Cash App, PayPal, Stripe, etc. What could an extra $250 to $500 a day do to your household? Comment me below. So pretty much what you do with Newbies on Fire, because it's an automated system, you could come to my wall or any other team member's wall, right? Copy our post, and let's say you're on your Facebook, you could paste it to your timeline. You would change out my link for your link, right? You change this link, etc. You get your own link when you join the system. That's why I'm saying you're gonna have your own link that explains everything. You're not gonna have to explain everything, but the process of what you actually do, if you want to make money with the system, there's a lot of ways you can make money with the system. The most immediate way is to copy what we're doing on Facebook. Marketing the product on Facebook, making videos, uploading these videos to YouTube. It's not too hard, right? We could start here. We'll use this app right here. There's no wrong or right way to do this. The copy and pasting just makes it easy for you to be in and out daily, doing what's required to earn $100 to $300 daily. You want to stick to the formula, right? You want to inspire your Facebook audience. So what exactly is Newbies on Fire? Newbies on Fire is an automated system. You can earn instant commissions, $25, $100, $250, $500 payments by sharing the product. Products have life cycles. Brands outlive products. One of Newbies on Fire's products is actually a branding training product that teaches you how to be a brand that outlives products. Brands convey a uniform quality, credibility, and experience. Brands are valuable. So that proves that the Newbies on Fire product is valuable. This article is straight from Forbes. Newbies on Fire is a standalone system, so I actually save, educating you about Newbies on Fire for a later video, right? I already have a bunch of content built out showing you what exactly Newbies on Fire is, how how this system can change your life and how you can make money with this system. So on the starter package, right, I want to take the time to show you what you actually get on the starter package. You get personal branding versus company branding training. You learn how to invoke emotions through your brand. Go over the name creation of a brand, the color psychology, company colors, color themes, custom logo creation, and custom mascot creation. There's a lot of things that go into a brand, which is why I'm building out my resources, making it easier for you to educate yourself on what exactly branding is. So we'll come over to our website. If for whatever reason the link isn't working, email fast10kinfo@gmail.com. I'm giving out this website as a bonus to anyone who gets started with my Newbies on Fire team today. This is the video I was talking about where I review the system further and break it down for you. You click this link, it comes right into a Newbies on Fire presentation. This link brings you over to my Facebook group. right? Here's the free presentation. You get websites built. They're already pre-built for you just like this. Once you get started with Newbies on Fire, you'll be able to start promoting your website instantly. People will be ready to sign up and make money. It's automated. You know, all you do is send traffic to the link, which means if someone's visiting your website while you're asleep and they decide to get started while you are sleeping, you will still receive your commission. You don't lose your commissions. The system makes sure that the sale goes to you. Here's my Become the Way group. This is where I'll be training my audience at. Feel free to request a membership with this group. I go over to my albums and show you what type of content you can expect from this group if I'm allowed to load it. Right, we got how to start a t-shirt business. We got a video in here already, a video for Facebook marketing. We're going to get into these other areas of marketing and these other ways of making money online. This group is fairly new. I'm going to encourage everyone that joins my team to start their own group. Your group is your community, and you can build this community up and empower your brand and take it to new levels faster. You want to take action on the information that you're struggling to act on right now based on your belief in it. Take other people's words that are having results in their business and move forward. So more about this group later. There is a free document in this group that allows you to earn, you can earn $24 every time someone signs up for free. So that's helpful. It's inside this group. It's right here. I created a post. Hey boss, thank you for requesting more information. Are you ready to learn how to earn $25, $100, $250, $500, and 1K commissions and more online? Let this pin post share as the most active team built inside of this group. There will be other trainings later. People who join this team through me or another team member will get access to live trainings which go over any material in the photo album. Enjoy this video. Get back with the person who referred you to move forward with our team. Now in this video, right, I share some of my results. I break down the information and how people are receiving money through Newbies on Fire and the opportunity and platform it has built for us. This link simply leads back to my sign up page. Right, I go over the group, what people can expect. You can see inside the Newbies on Fire package on this training video. Right here I'm showing you some of the packages, and if you could see real quick, you could see right at 708, here's pages that are ready, pre-built for you to use, ready to start accepting sales on your behalf and converting website traffic into sales for you. My name's Dre Hall, guys. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next video.